Yamaha R15 Club India has become one of the most influential and passionate rider communities in the country, built around the legendary Yamaha R15 platform that has dominated the entry-level sportbike segment for years. The club represents not just ownership of a motorcycle, but a lifestyle that connects riders through group rides, track days, city meets, touring events, and a shared obsession with performance riding. Across India, R15 club chapters are active in major cities, bringing together riders from different backgrounds who share the same love for Yamaha's racing DNA and everyday usability. The Yamaha R15 itself continues to evolve, and the club closely follows every update and change introduced by Yamaha. The latest R15 versions bring sharper R-series styling inspired by the R7 and R1, with aggressive LED headlights, aerodynamic fairing design, and a sporty riding stance that feels premium for its segment. Club members often discuss visual upgrades, vinyl wraps, paint protection films, and subtle cosmetic mods that enhance the bike's track-focused appearance while keeping it road-legal and practical for daily use. Performance remains the heart of the R15 Club India culture. The 155cc liquid-cooled engine with VVA technology delivers strong mid-range and top-end performance, making it equally fun on highways and twisty roads. Riders frequently share real-world performance experiences, long-term reliability feedback, and maintenance tips within the club. Many members focus on smoother throttle response, quick acceleration, and riding techniques that help extract maximum performance without compromising engine life. Track day discussions are a major highlight, where riders talk about braking points, cornering lines, and lap time improvements. Technology updates in the Yamaha R15 are another hot topic within the club. Features like the quick shifter, traction control system, dual-channel ABS, and assist and slipper clutch are often praised for bringing big bike technology into an affordable sport bike. The fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to track calls, messages, fuel consumption, and ride data, which many club members actively use during long rides and tours. The club regularly shares updates about software improvements, service advisories, and best practices to keep the electronics functioning perfectly. R15 Club India is also deeply involved in touring and road safety awareness. Group rides are organized with strict riding discipline, protective gear awareness, and lane etiquette. Many chapters emphasize full riding gear, including helmets, jackets, gloves, and boots, especially for new riders. Touring stories from Ladakh, Spiti, coastal highways, and hill routes are commonly shared, highlighting the R15's fuel efficiency, stability, and comfort over long distances despite its sporty nature. Modification culture plays a big role in the club's identity. Popular upgrades include performance air filters, aftermarket exhausts, better brake pads, steel-braided brake lines, and upgraded tires for improved grip. Suspension tuning and ergonomic adjustments are also discussed for riders who use the bike extensively on highways or tracks. Club seniors often guide new members on which mods are practical, safe, and worth the investment, helping them avoid unnecessary or harmful changes. The Yamaha R15 Club India also keeps a close eye on upcoming updates, special editions, and future models. Speculation about new color schemes, updated graphics, engine refinements, and stricter emission compliance is always active within the community. Members exchange news from dealerships, auto expos, and Yamaha announcements, making the club a reliable source of real-time information for R15 enthusiasts. Overall, Yamaha R15 Club India is more than just a bike group. It is a brotherhood built on trust, passion, and respect for motorcycling. From daily commuters to weekend racers, the club welcomes every R15 owner who wants to ride responsibly, improve skills, and enjoy the thrill of the R-Series legacy. With growing participation, organized events, and strong online presence, the club continues to play a major role in shaping India's sport bike culture around the iconic Yamaha R15.